Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick review about this platform, which is Photoleap review. So to get started with a quick overview about Photoleap. Photoleap by Lightstreak is a mobile photo editing app designed to help user create a stunning visual with a minimal effort. It blends AI powered tools with a user-friendly interface, allowing tasks like background removal, object elimination, and artistic styles transfer to be completed in just a few taps. Features like layer-based editing and streamlined integration with other Lightstreak apps like Videoleap and Facetune make it ideal for both casual users and creators looking for more creative flexibility. The app's AI tools are especially helpful for quick transforming photos without needing advanced editing skills. However, the free version is quite limited, offering only basic tools and a fewer layouts. To unlock full functionality, user needs to subscribe. Some things like you may not appeal to everyone. So some users have also reported minor performance lag during the heavy editings, and that said, for everyone looking for a mobile first, easy to use photo editors with a powerful AI capabilities, Photoleap stand out as a strong option, just like prepare to pay if you want the best it offers to offer. So that's it.